Hi everyone, I am Arijit Ray.
I am Sajid Kumar Roy.
I am Deepak Gupta.
I am Shankar Mishra. I am Ridhinath Ganguly.
We are doing a training on machine learning here in Globsyn Finishing School, and our project is sentiment analysis on Union Budget 2019.
We got our data from Twitter on Union Budget 2019. We apply pre-processing and machine learning algorithms on it, and we get the results that how many numbers of tweets are in favor of Union Budget and how many are against the Union Budget.
Our mentor was Arnab sir. He helped us in a different way and in detailed way. Sir told us every small steps of how we should proceed in our project, and it was very helpful for us during the process. We had some errors, we had some debugging to do, but sir helped us in a lot in this process.
Machine learning with Python, which is nowadays is a very hot technology in the market, and everything is getting guided on this machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, data analytics, and your deep learning and so on, and also being supported by big data. They did one project on sentiment analysis for Union Budget, and we have implemented multiple different models in that particular project. And in our course also, we have discussed our decision tree, we are having the linear regression, logistic regression, we had our naive-bayes, we had our random forest, we had our k-means, knn. There are so many different algorithms we discussed in the class. Most of them got implemented in that respective project.
People will get to know the opinion about the entire nation on the Union Budget 2019. They can get more detailed knowledge about the Union Budget of 2019.
Globsyn Finishing School gave us the corporate experience that we need most. We had a faculty always at our side. Their courses are designed in that well-defined way, which help us to learn easily and efficient way. They provide us the infrastructure and the platform to do this project. Thank you, Globsyn.